Good day. My name is Tim Froude. I'm President and CEO of Sokoman Minerals Corp, a discovery-focused company exploring in mineral-rich and mining-friendly Newfoundland, a top-tier jurisdiction globally as defined by the Fraser Institute. Through the strong support of shareholders like Eric Sprott and partnerships with quality companies like Piedmont Lithium, we offer you excellent exposure to lithium and gold in 2024 in a rising market for both commodities. Through our 100% owned Moosehead and Froude gold projects, as well as the recently discovered Killick Lithium Critical Minerals joint venture project, which I will describe shortly. All of our projects sit on key geological structures, all with excellent infrastructure, including roads, power, access to labor, drilling companies, assay labs. We're a very efficient explorer with company funds. Our flagship property, Moosehead, is a high-grade Fosterville-type deposit sitting in the rapidly emerging Central Newfoundland Gold Belt. Other players in the region include Newfound Gold and the recent Marathon Calibre merger, currently building Atlantic Canada's largest gold mine at Valentine Lake. Our work has defined 7 zones of gold mineralization at Moosehead over a 2-kilometer strike length, and all the zones remain open. High grades exist in all zones and generally at very shallow depths. The property, as I mentioned, has excellent infrastructure, includes roads, access to labor and power, and located within an hour's drive of drilling services and an assay lab. 2024 will be a busy year with drilling continuing from highly successful previous programs, including expanding a new discovery, the 552 zone, just in the past few months. Froude is a completely underexplored, and when I say completely underexplored, it's almost 500 square kilometers with just a single historical drill hole on it for gold. Highly prospective gold targets exist through a 30-kilometer-long gold in till anomaly that's located just to the west of the mining town of Bay Verte. The property is located in geology equivalent to the Dalradian region of Northern Ireland, where the 6 million ounce Curranault gold deposit lies. A recent trip to Northern Ireland by our team confirmed the many similarities that exist between the Curranault and Froude projects. Our work has defined 2 strong gold targets, both of which will be drilled in 2024, including grades of 9 and 13 grams per ton in previously, as I mentioned, undrilled areas. The Killick project is another one of our prospecting success stories, having started out as a gold property with 50-50 partner Benton Resources. Prospecting in late 2021, while looking for gold, uncovered a swarm of lithium-rich pegmatite dikes that returned very significant lithium assays of over 2% Li2O. Follow-up drilling to that returned up to 15 meters of 1.04% lithium. Our work over just 2 short years, culminating in signing a major agreement in October with US-based Piedmont Lithium Inc. to advance the project. Piedmont have committed to spend $12 million in exploration, as well as paying to Sokoman and joint venture partner Benton a total of $10 million in share payments, at which point Piedmont will have a 70% interest in the project, with Sokoman and Benton retaining 30% and a 2% combined royalty. Exploration at Killick will begin in earnest in the spring of 2024, once all data has been received and modeled. Why Sokoman? We are a proven discoverer working in a top-tier mining jurisdiction. We are extremely undervalued, in our opinion, based on results to date, many of which include some very significant high-grade results. Our team includes over 140 years of mining industry business-related exploration and financing activities. We are well-funded to advance our current projects, all of which have excellent potential for new high-grade discoveries. Thank you very much.